Hey everyone, today we're diving into a hot topic, Windows Security Antivirus. Specifically, whether you should ever consider hitting that disable button in Windows 11. Brace yourselves because it's not as straightforward as you might think. First things first, let's be clear. Windows Security is your built-in antivirus shield. It's your digital knight in shining armor, warding off nasty malware and protecting your precious files. Disabling it, well, that's like taking off your helmet in the middle of a dragon fight. Not the wisest move, right? Sure, there might be times when Windows Security throws a bit of a tantrum. Maybe it flags a harmless program as suspicious, or it slows down your PC during a scan. Annoying, yes, but remember, it's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to online threats. But hey, let's say you absolutely need to do some specific troubleshooting or run another antivirus program for a bit. In those rare cases, disabling Windows Security is an option. Here's how to do it safely. Step 1. Open Windows Security. Step 2. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Step 3. Choose Manage Settings. Step 4. Under Real-Time Protection, you'll see a tempting toggle switch. But remember, flipping it off means lowering your defenses. Step 5. This is optional. If you really need to, you can disable other features like tamper protection and cloud-delivered protection. Keep in mind that disabling your Windows antivirus is a temporary measure. Windows Security will automatically rise again like a phoenix after a restart or even just a period of inactivity. And honestly, that's a good thing.